Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's day 3, so we thought we'd update and give you some information on what's happened in days 1 and 2 as far as what we've accomplished. And so, first thing, the dumpster got here yesterday, so we've been filling it. Doesn't look like it, but there's a whole bunch in there that I'm not going to show you right now. And now we're going to go in. We did get rid of the wall on the far side. Come on. You're going to lead the way and tell us all about it.
We've had 6 estimates on new windows, replacement windows, ranging from $8,000 to $23,000, something absurd, to replace 13 windows. We're thinking we might just keep them, call it a day.
Why don't you turn the fan off and turn the light on? Unless you want the fan to keep going. Okay, so what's happened in here?
We got the carpeting up. We left this pad down just because we're hauling a few more things out so it didn't get scratched up. But we got it all up. It smells better than it did. All the old curtain rods down. And yeah, it's looking better. Much better. Floor's in really great condition. I haven't found anything weird. Again, just one little spot, sanding it. And it's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna do this bedroom. This is gonna be our storage area. But the best part is, what David was able to reveal, this is the best part of this room. We have brick, old 120-year-old brick that we're going to leave exposed. There'll be some, he's got to do some.
So we're going to do.
Say what you're going to do.
No, you just
No, because you know.
explain what you're doing right there.
We're going to put shelves in on this side, shelves in that way, since it's deep in there, and this we're just going to leave exposed, but this will be covered. Drywall is going to go up there to replace where the plaster was damp. And
So basically we'll drywall this up to that line underneath the head of that opening. So right there, so drywall will go over to here and then down. So that all will get drywalled. This will get drywalled, so it just looks like a wall. And then it'll have the built-in shelf on that side that'll go up to that little bulge. So everything from there up will go ahead and get drywalled, and everything from there down will be exposed, other than, you know, each side, which will have drywall on it.
that'll look beautiful.
And we got rid of all the old nasty plaster through there, so that'll all get drywalled across there. You can see our water damage, and the water's coming down this, and that's what we got to fix on that chimney up there. But that's our issue, and we'll get that resolved, and then we'll be able to button it up. Okay, so that's what's happened in this room. Moving on. Let's go that way.
Which, this way?
Yeah, don't step on a nail.
Okay. Scary bathroom.
Scary bathroom. Come on. So
this is all going to be, I don't know what we're doing, but it's going to have the same layout. This will be a tub. This was just a shower, but it's going to be a bathtub we're putting in for resale. We think it'd be better. So this is going, this is all coming down, the wallpaper and everything. And this we're keeping, not this, the vanity's garbage. So we're going to keep this because I think it's beautiful. It's original. And so the inside is really, it's in pretty good shape. The mirror has to be replaced. And I think David's idea is to put tile in here. They've got this funky contact paper in there. But, so I don't know what's happening with the tile, if this is all coming down or, I don't know.
but what's happened that we've done is we've tore out the shower enclosure, which is over there behind her in the other room.
Oh, yeah.
And then this cabinet's gonna go. So whole shower enclosure's out, that all goes out, and then we'll be reinstalling the bathtub and surround.
And here's the master bedroom. We kind of got a lot of it clean. There's still the sticky stuff from the mat, the pad, whatever, carpeting stuff. I got some of it out, said you can use vinegar and water, or I don't know, but we've decided we'll take some of it out. What are we doing?
Just stay over there. You're following me, and I'm trying to get where you can see the room and hear you talking. And it's like you just want to be. You want to be close here. I'll be close. I walk and you walk with me.
Anyway, we got to a point, it's like, you know what, a sander, they said a sander will take all this up. So if we're sanding anyway, it might go through a little more sand and paper, whatever, but.
Yeah,
so
it'll
we'll
gum
get
things
this
up.
But otherwise, it really, everything's in good shape. The baseboards are lovely and yeah, it's all good.
Okay, next room.
So here's the dining. And this light, which is cute as can be, this is gonna go into the kitchen. There's a hideous thing up there, so we've got 2 new lights going up in the living and the dining, but I got the part of the border. I did get all the border off in that room. This border, it's gonna be work.
This border's gone. This border needs some additional work,
so
and then we got a whole wall there.
Yeah. And then this is the wall that it's got it's kind of funky. I think there's bricks in there. We might maybe expose that. We don't know.
Yeah, we can see right here this bubble. I don't know if it shows up on the camera very well, but there's a bubble right there. That plaster's all pulling off, and so there's a brick chase behind this. I just don't know whether that's in good condition, bad condition, just what we're gonna find, but we may end up exposing some brick over there. We'll see.
Everything, and I guess that's it on the kitchen. We haven't done anything. The cabinets.
Sure, yeah, go over there and pick up that corner. Pull up hard.
Oh, I won't be able to.
Just give it a pull. Yeah, muscles, that's muscles there.
Anyway, so this is coming out today. The cabinets will come out, and got rid of the washer and dryer. On Facebook, we're taking the old fridge to some recycle place here. They said they're going to pay me for it, and I think that's it. Is there? David's doing this, starting to get all the garbage out of here.
Yep, so the washer and dryer's gone.
Literally
squeeze by you
garbage.
here.
Move the other way. Yeah, this is your space.
So that's now gone.
Need to plug that up so nothing crawls through there.
You don't want entry from kitty cats and other fun things.
No.
So, fridge is gone. This will be a big change probably today. We'll see. See what we get to. Okay, so that's where we're at. Anything else?
I don't think so. I think that's it.
Okay, so wish us luck.
I know it. I know. Good health.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.